Hi, I'm Patrick and this is the Ask Patrick series related to MBA entrance exam. The question today is, when you solve the CAT exam or when you practice, every con question looks different. I mean, there's a very different approach for each and every con question. So how do I build up approach, or what do I do to help me understand con better? The reason people find each question of con because they look at con in terms of topic. So when I see a con question, I look at what topic it is from. Apart from topic, there are subtopics which are there. There are already something around 25, 26 topics. On that, there are multiple subtopics. So there's so many variations of topic, subtopic which are there. So when we solve, we classify our sums when we look at it into a particular topic, then try to remember the formulas for that particular topic and try to apply it to the question. I feel that approach is wrong. What you need to do is try to look at the sum into simple approaches, like, can I use the option to solve? Can I substitute a value and solve? Can I put any values? I mean, either substitute the options or do something else and solve. Right? Can I assume things? Okay, or do anything else that will help me to solve the sum? Maybe simple techniques like ratios, etc. could help. Maybe there is some number hint which is there in the question which would help me to solve. There are a lot of ways to approach the sum. Takes a little bit of practice, but that will require you unlearning from topic based learning to learning by approach based learning. That will help you to do better. So next time when you start learning quant, try not to classify it based on topics, but classify it based on techniques of solving it. And that will help you to understand the sum better. It will also help you to solve the sum much faster in the examination than with the normal techniques. Try it. I'm sure it will help you. Thank you.